Did you know how beneficial oranges can be for your health? Oranges are more than just a juicy, sweet treat. Let's delve into the health benefits of this citrus fruit. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts your immune system. This powerful nutrient aids your body in its fight against infections. Not only does it strengthen your immune response, but it also accelerates the healing process for wounds and injuries. But that's not all. Oranges are also champions for your heart health. They're full of fiber, potassium, and of course, vitamin C, all of which contribute to a healthy heart. The fiber in oranges helps lower cholesterol levels, and the potassium aids in regulating blood pressure. But that's not all. Oranges are also a secret weapon for radiant skin and keeping your body hydrated. Let's talk about skin health first. You see, the antioxidants found in oranges, particularly vitamin C, act as a shield, protecting our skin from the harmful effects of free radicals. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to our cells, leading to premature aging and dull complexion. But fear not, the antioxidants in oranges step in to neutralize these free radicals, promoting a healthy and radiant complexion. Now, let's dive into hydration. We all know how important it is to stay hydrated, especially during those hot summer days. And guess what? Oranges are here to save the day with their high water content. They not only quench your thirst, but also help maintain your body's electrolyte balance. So why not add a little glow to your skin and quench your thirst with a juicy orange? But the benefits of oranges don't stop there. They can also help you manage your weight, keep your bones strong, protect your eyes, and even help you relax. The abundant fiber in oranges provides that satisfying feeling of fullness, curbing those extra snack cravings and supporting weight management. Oranges are a little-known source of calcium and vitamin D, two vital nutrients for maintaining bone strength and potentially reducing the risk of osteoporosis. And let's not forget those peepers. Thanks to the beta-carotene and vitamin C in oranges, they're a great choice for keeping our eyes healthy and warding off age-related macular degeneration. But oranges aren't just about physical health. They also have a role in cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants found in oranges can help reduce the risk of certain cancers. And for those stressful days, oranges have you covered. The vitamin B6 in oranges aids in the production of serotonin, that feel-good neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and reduce stress. So whether you're looking for a nutritious snack, a health boost, or just a moment of zen, remember, an orange a day can truly keep the doctor away. In conclusion, oranges are a powerhouse of health benefits. From boosting your immune system, supporting heart and skin health, to aiding in hydration, weight management, bone and eye health, cancer prevention, and stress relief. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a bag of oranges and squeeze the most out of their health benefits.